Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can check SAR value in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to call button. Go to call button. And type star hash 07 hash. You will see SAR value. Here 0.86 watt per kg at 1 gram for head and body SAR is 0.72 watt per kg. Okay, click on OK. Again I show the code, just dial star hash 07 hash and SAR values will be displayed in your phone. So in this way you can easily find SAR value of your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.